Welcome back, everybody, to another video. Today, we are going to be playing. So I can do that live stream. There we go. So, yeah, we're going, what? 299, 280. Go straight, make sure everything coming. Yeah, 297, so almost 300 miles an hour. Here. I mean, it sounds good. I'm just gonna drift. Oh, a little bit too much drift. Oh, and you guys are probably wondering what the front of it looks like. Yes, I have a glossy red. Got a spotter. But yeah. I should have did it this way. I made a cooler intro for the car. But now let's see. Oh. Okay, so I have level 12. But still really no upgrades. I mean, it was already, you know, pretty good upgraded before I got it. Oh, and if you guys are still curious how many cars I have a ton of cars. The Supra is the fastest car now that I have. I haven't sold any really cars. Look at this noob. I'm going in here first. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna install that. Go over here. Install that. Sorry I said this so much. I was just kind of curious to see what it did. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see any. But yeah, that's the car. Comment down below if you like the way I have this car. Or comment you like it. Comment down below if you like it. And yeah. This is gonna be so much faster, probably. Ah, he glitched. What's this? Oh. Is it? Oh, these trashy cars. Don't know how to drift. Oh, I'm not even gonna touch the steering wheel on drift. I'm gonna get a good angle. Look at that. Beautiful. Gonna ding that. Bro's only level 33, 2. I'm level like 69 or 67, 68. You know what? How about this? We'll give homie a joyride. Yo, dude, come back here. Chat. You're not gonna let me talk to him? Dude, come here. I wanna talk to you. Bro. Chat. Oh, frick you. I didn't want to take you in a test drive of my car anyways. You. Come here. Why does no one want to go on a test drive in this car? Seriously. Stop your slow car. I didn't mean to get this dude on. Paulo. Hey, Paulo. Whatever your name is, get back here. Hey, yo. There we go. Chat. Let me. Bro. Quit drifting that little Mazdas around. And the thing is you can't trade this car. You know what? I didn't feel like giving anyone a ride in this car anyways. Level 13. What else do I get? Box? I don't know. I can't wait for them to add the new map though. Like seriously. This game is so good. We just need more maps. And they need to make it where all cars are able to buy. Because it's getting them in a box. And the boxes are being rigged where you can't get the cars. Which I'm trying to see if I can get anyone to trade. Which I haven't traded in a while. So I've lost my touch of trading with people. There's someone up behind me. Which is... you, boy. We're just gonna turn and drift. Just imagine I just clicked on it right as we drift through it. I love this car. This thing drifts like a dream. Not even joking. And it sounds good. I mean, it might not be the best looking car, but you know, you get it free. But I will say this car is so amazing. Shut up. I'm trying to find someone to take a ride in this car. I haven't had anyone get in this car yet. Where is everybody? Yeah, that's like this map. The map's long. It isn't. Was he next to me? I'm stomping it. Thanks. See, I'm used to having NOS when I race cars, so I'm over here looking for my NOS button. It's like, where's my NOS button? I need it. You know. Where's he at? This is where I get trying to get my record. Something like that doesn't have, and he's gone. So this is where I need my NOS, especially if I play Need for Speed, or whatever. Homie is gone. Because stupid cars don't know how to move out of my way. Need for Speed, they at least know how to stop. So, imagine if we could, like, have a season, or not a season, like a little map type thing where you go in and you could, like, 50 would be a cop, 50 would be a non-cop. Me and cops, man, I love that running. And totally not abusing the vehicles. No. If I knew he was still going, I would've went flying past him. This thing only goes 74 miles an hour. Who goes that way, dog? Who goes that way? Who's the frick goes that way? About the same, but he also got a head start too. He also got a head start. Come on. I can't catch him. I know I can catch him. These cars only top out so fast. Well, there we go. We're gaining. We're gaining him. See ya, boy. The rap god can't take a joke. Can't literally take this one. I would turn around and look at him. But I don't want to wreck like that. I'm just gonna cut through here. Get a little bit more gaining on him. I don't know where we're going. We're just driving until I see him like slow down or two. I'm not going all the way down here, buddy boy. I'm sending it to Nos. I hope he can see me because I'm going to Lord Jesus here. Homie just went underneath me. I watched him. Hello, flip over. Quit driving, sliding down the road. Well, this is 14 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video. Please help me get to 50 subscribers so I can do a live stream and give some free cars away. Love you guys. Miss you. I don't know why I said miss you, but please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.